Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. I am Kishal. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video, I hope you get to know from the thumbnail. So in this video I'll talk about how you will start your journey in data science and machine learning. So I hope you all know this era is about artificial intelligence or machine learning or data science. And many people are interested in this particular domain. I mean, I have seen during my MTech days, everybody is interested to work in this particular domain because this is a boom in the market. I mean, both in academia and industry, everybody is working on the data science or machine learning, and not in one direction. I mean, all area of science is being touched by machine learning, data science. Like even in the core science, physics, chemistry, they are also machine learning. People started exploring machine learning. Like personally, I work on machine learning on chemistry. So my work is related to chemical molecule and predict their properties using machine learning model. So machine learning is everywhere. I mean, it's not only in the so-called product-based companies like Flipkart, Amazon, and everywhere. I mean, people are predicting flood using machine learning. People are predicting satellites position using machine learning. A lot of applications, and that's why it's quite relevant, and it is quite natural that everybody should think about building their career in machine learning, data science. Now a lot of students used to ask me that how to start. Now that is a very difficult question, because when I was joining my MTech in ISC, I also didn't have any idea about machine learning. I mean, I didn't have any idea regarding Python also. So you can understand, like I have zero knowledge in machine learning, and the way I have learned machine learning, so that idea I can give you that that can be a kind of roadmap that you can follow, because in the very first semester at ISC I have done the prerequisite, and then I have moved into machine learning and data science. And I personally feel that the way I have gradually learned machine learning, that actually helped me, because I had a zero knowledge about machine learning. Because in my BTech, when I've done my BTech in 2012, that time machine learning was not that boom, because deep learning era has started in 2014. And after 6 years, when I was starting my MTech at ISC, that time it's already a mid of deep learning, machine learning era. So that's why the way I have learned, I personally feel that if you follow this one, that will be really helpful, because a lot of people have this kind of idea that I'll do this course, I'll do that course, and then I'll learn machine learning. But that is not the truth. So yeah, that's the whole idea of this video. So I'll give you how I have learned machine learning and what are the kind of roadmap you should follow. So please do watch the video till end. And before starting the video, as I always say, if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. So let's start today's video. Yeah, so as I was saying, that machine learning is not about doing some courses here and there, doing some projects, write some models using Python without understanding what is happening and then predicting on some data set. So that is not machine learning. That is not the actual machine learning that you must learn. So machine learning is a mathematical driven course. So here you have to build some mathematical model, and that's why you have to understand the math behind the machine learning idea. So for that you have to do two prerequisite that is must. So first one is probability and statistics. So you must do some course on probability and statistics to understand how probability works, how different distribution works, and that is really very crucial step for doing machine learning, because machine learning it's all about data, and there are some distribution hidden in that data, and that you have to learn. So that's why first thing is that you have to understand probability and statistics, and second thing is linear algebra. So linear algebra is very important, because it's an easy course. It's not that difficult, because probability and statistics is a really difficult course as per me also, because I am also not an expert in probability and statistics. But compared to that, linear algebra is a bit lighter course. So you must do one course in linear algebra to understand the vector spaces, dimensionality, and eigenvalue, eigenvector and thing. So for that I would prefer two resources. So first one is for probability and statistics. You can follow the course from the MIT, so it is available in YouTube. You can go and check it out. So this course is really good. I mean, there are I think 20 or 25 lectures are there, so you can go and check it out. So that is a really good resource that is available online by MIT. And one website is there. I made a video on that website quite a few months back. I'll give the link in the description, or it may come in the I button. You can go and check it out. So that website is also really good. I mean, it will also give you an idea about everything that is needed in machine learning, everything about probability that is needed in machine learning. And there are some lot of examples are also there. If you solve those examples, your idea will be clear. Now coming to linear algebra. For linear algebra, my favorite course is course by Gilbert Strang. I hope many of you know about this course, and this is also one course from MIT. So this course is really helpful. I mean, it is not it is an applied linear algebra course. It is not related to the proofs and theories. It is an applied linear algebra course, and that is what needed in machine learning. You have a idea about everything. You don't need the proofs of it. I mean, you need the proof of it if you want to go into theoretical machine learning, but if you want to go into applied machine learning, you don't need the proofs. So I would suggest you that you follow this course by Professor Gilbert Strang. That is one of my favorite course out in the YouTube. So both the courses are available in YouTube, so you can go and check it out. So these are the two courses that I feel is the prerequisite for machine learning, and these two courses I have done in my first year of MTech at IISc. And this is one of the best thing in IISc, that you have a course structure where in the first semester you will get the prerequisite, and in the second semester the main course will start. So I have done the course in my first semester, and then you have to move to machine learning. Now how will start machine learning? So I would first recommend you that you do the course from Coursera, the machine learning course that is been offered by Coursera, that is operated by Stanford. Professor Andrew Ng used to take the classes there. So first do that course, because this is a very lightweight course. I mean, this will give you a rough idea about machine learning. So that won't cover you the mathematical details. It's not a mathematically rigorous course, but it's a very lightweight course which will give you a rough idea about everything in machine learning. It's not, I mean, I'm not saying you that if you complete this course you will be knowing everything in machine learning, but it's a good start point from you, whoever is starting machine learning from zero. Now you have to move to the tougher courses in machine learning. So once you done that particular Coursera course from Stanford, so that will give you a rough idea about the whole thing. Now you have to move to courses where you will understand the maths. So first course I will recommend you by Professor P.S. Sastry. It's an NPTEL course. This is called Pattern Recognition and Neural Network. So this is by Professor P.S. Sastry, who is a professor in electrical department at IISc. It's a really good course. It's a bit heavy from mathematics point of view, but it's a really good course. I mean, if you really want to know about the mathematical details of machine learning, you must follow this one. So this has been followed by everyone who is to do their MTech or PhD from IISc. They used to take this course. This has been offered in the second semester at IISc electrical department, and everybody used to take this course. I was not that fortunate because my time professor was in sabbatical, but in my senior batch, in my junior batch, everybody used to take this course. This is called PRNN, Pattern Recognition and Neural Network. So this has been offered, and it has a NPTEL version available in YouTube. So this is the first one. Second one is by Professor Piyush Rai at IIT Kanpur. So it is this course doesn't have any video lecture, but it has its PDFs available in the course website. So again, I'll be given the link in the description for both the courses. So you just go and read the PDFs of this lecture. So Professor Piyush Rai has made excellent PDFs of this course, and that is really helpful. I mean, once you complete the course by Professor P.S. Sastry, if you go through this particular course, you will be able to understand everything. So that's why I'll recommend you after this that you must go to the PDF by Professor Piyush Rai. And last is about deep learning. So these two was about classical machine learning. And last course that I'll recommend you by Professor Mitesh Khavda. It's related to deep learning. So deep learning is the recent evolution of machine learning that happened after 2014. And Professor Mitesh Khapra is an, I think, associate professor at IIT Madras. I may be wrong, I am not sure, but he is working on NLP and deep learning at IIT Madras, and he had a NPTEL video on deep learning, and that is, I personally feel, the best deep learning video in India, best deep learning lecture video in India, if not in the world. So that is the best resource available for deep learning, and whoever is interested on deep learning, they must follow this particular video series. There are, I think, 21 modules are there. They're in two parts. In the first part, that is the classical deep learning, and the second part, he has described about generative models. So you must go and check this out. So these are the resources. I personally follow them whenever I have some interviews, and whenever I used to appear for some interviews, or I have some exams on deep learning, machine learning, I used to follow these resources. So first thing, I will again repeat, first thing is that you have to complete the prerequisite. You have to complete the probability and linear algebra. For that, you should refer the MIT videos. For probability, the MIT videos are really good, and for linear algebra also, Professor Gilberstein, he is also from MIT, his videos. Then you can jump into the Coursera one. That will be a simple course where you will have a rough idea about different models of machine learning. Then you have to move to the tougher one. So then you have to check with Professor P.S. Sastri's NPTEL video and Professor Piyush Rai's PDFs. And finally, if you want to know about deep learning, you should refer to Professor Mitesh Khapra's video. So yeah, this is the resources that I would recommend you. There are endless other resources available in internet. There are a lot of lectures available throughout the world by different renowned institutions. You take Stanford, CMU, Harvard, MIT. There are a lot of resources available. You can always explore. I am also exploring now in other resources, and as much as you study, the things will be more clear to you. I mean, you might not able to get something from a particular lecture, but if you refer to many other videos or many other lectures, then things will be slightly getting clearer for you. And that's why I will always recommend you to refer to many resources and available. So yeah, that's it about this video. I hope this will be really helpful for all those people who will be starting their journey for machine learning, data science, and who are kind of confused now that from where to start and from where to where to refer from. I hope this video will be helpful. So if you like this video, please hit a like and share this video to many other people so that they also get to know about it. And if you are new to this particular channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. That's it about today's video. I'll be meeting in the next video. Until then, bye.